Hey guys, it's Fabio here, this is my boyfriend Yani and we're back with another video. Today is a very exciting video for us because we are doing... What are we doing?
Today's video, a company named Rosegal sent us a lot of products. Now, all the products are going to be linked down below like a typical YouTubers would say. So,
I'm so excited for this because one in particular I really love and I know I'm going to use it for a lot of photo shoots.
Yeah. So we ordered these products long time ago, so we can't remember anymore what we ordered and what we chose on the website. So all the products and website links down below, so if you're interested, go check them out. They're very cool. They have a lot of stuff on their website.
Honestly, their website has so much variety.
Yeah.
It was very hard to pick a bunch of products because we were like, oh my god, I want this, I want this, I want this.
I know.
We wanted everything.
Everything. If you could only get everything, that's everything.
So we're very excited to see how they fit, how they feel, and how they look on us.
Yeah. Before we begin, they sent us a lot of information for the website. We have a promo code, guys. We have a promo code.
Oh my god! Like real YouTubers, guys.
Like really?
No jokes anymore. We're not here to play anymore.
I know. If you use the promo code RGYA12, it's also going to be in the description box. You get $60 off over $300 order, $40 off over $200 order, $15 off over $100, $10 off over $50,
and $5 off over $39.
Yeah, so that's a very I think it's a very good deal.
Great discount. Let us know what you buy from them.
Yeah, let us know.
We're very excited, very curious.
Without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing.
Alright, let's get right into the unboxing, guys.
First product is this one. So this
are we opening my favorite right away?
Yeah, they sent us two of these.
Ooh.
So this is Fabio's choice because...
Yes, I was already picturing myself practicing so much yoga in this pants.
It's a very yogi pants-like, so as you can see, there's a lot of prints. Let's see. I always smell new stuff.
Oh my goodness, I love... Oh my god, look at the color.
So they look like this. They're beautiful. You can use them as a headscarf. You can use them as a wig. You don't have to color your hair if you use this as a wig.
Honestly, look at the colors.
I know.
They're amazing. Those look so comfy and cool. Yeah. And actually, I can tell they're super light.
Next product! This one is, I think it's a sweater. I can't remember anymore, like I said, what we ordered.
You give me all the plastic, I'll put it here.
So this is, oh my god, that's actually a nice feeling.
Oh.
It's actually very comfy.
Okay, Rosegal.
It's a little bit thick.
It's perfect for this time of the year. Oh my gosh.
Oh
my god. Look at the inside is so nice.
Ooh. Is it fleece? It's actually so comfy. So, looks like we ordered a lot of black stuff, which I like. So this is a nice sweater.
Beautiful. Actually. I love the brown inside.
I like the inside.
Yeah, I love this one. Actually, this is so nice. I wasn't sure about. Now I remember. I wasn't too sure about this one when Yani wanted to get it. Actually, I'm very happy.
Next one is this one.
Let's go into the next one. So this, I think it's another sweater.
Black sweater again. Oh, I remember this! Yes, this is the one that I like!
Wow!
It's a very fashion-forward, very emo-like. So the neck looks like this. We're gonna show you how to wear this.
We're gonna show you later. We're gonna try everything on in a minute. Oh, this is very nice.
Because I'm scared of like, I don't know internet sizing. It's always to oversize. Ordered larger size than order something that will never fit you.
And plus, oversize is great right now because it's very in. Next.
We're saving this for last. Next one is this one. Dun, da, da, da. It's another black sweater. What is this? A blanket?
Oh my god, I don't remember what this is.
How do you wear this?
Oh, this is like a cardigan.
Oh, I remember this. This is like a shawl? Yes, it's a cardigan.
Ooh. Oh! I'm curious to see how it looks on you. Okay, let's see the next one. Next one is something that I know I'm gonna wear a lot.
Oh, that's a nice.
And those are
These are nice pants.
Yellow pants. I'm loving
I'm gonna wear, oh, there's zipper. I like smelling stuff. I like that. It's very, you can wear that as a dance outfit.
I know, every time I go to the gym and now I can wear those.
And last one, last one, definitely not the least.
Yani definitely picked this one.
We wanted something that has a pop of color despite of all this blackness. So we ordered a very flamboyant, colorful, fun sweater.
It looks like we walk under a bucket of paint.
Oh my god, it's nice though. It's nice, admit it.
It is nice.
Like,
it is nice.
we could wear this outside during fall or during Pride even.
Actually, guys, this feels and looks nicer than in the picture.
I'm gonna wear this all the time now.
Let's show the back.
The back looks nice too with all this graphic paint. Yeah, so that's all the products. Thank you, Rosegal, for sending all the stuff. We were really excited.
Yes, definitely check out their website because they have so many other things.
Yeah.
Like when I say so many, I mean it.
I'm hungry. So that's all for the unboxing. Anything that we said in this video is literally gonna be linked down below, so check it out. Please use the promo code. It's also in the description box.
Beautiful. I can't wait to try all this on.
So we're gonna go ahead, get naked in front of the camera and try them on for you guys.
Naked? I didn't even work out for a full week.